So while you're creating these views using AutoSnap and object tracking, you'll be able to pick points to start your line work that are directly aligned with other points in the other view. You'll end up with an object that looks similar to this. You have a line here, then you can just offset this line an inch and then offset this line an inch, thereby creating the top view. Then we want to create these little angled portions and the little cutouts on the side. So follow the instructions here using the snap that is from the last point entered in rectangular coordinate method. You can create these lines. There are other ways to create the lines, just as long as you try this first and then try it out on your own, creating these lines with those measurements. Then we use the old trim command and trim it away, and we end up with the top view. It looks like this. Now we have features drawn in that we can project from the top to the front. So before we were projecting this up to the top view from the front view. Now we're going to project features to the front view. So to create this little offset and trim operation, you do that on your own. Then we draw a miter line, diagonal line, following these instructions. It's 45 degrees exactly. Then we project using our construction line layer and construction line command, and project these lines over to our miter line, and you can just offset them and then trim it to that line. Then wherever it intersects the miter line, it's like a fold line of the box, it's going to project down. And that's what you do here. And then we're going to create another layer, a new layer called hidden. We run the lines down. We change layers and draw our hidden lines in that represent the object. Now at first it looks pretty weird because those lines don't go all the way through. They are to represent this. That is, there are some other lines cutting through here. And we do that over here. We have some angled lines we draw in using your own methods. And then we share information between the views using this method. Create that short horizontal line. Then we show the notch and how it appears on the side. See, not all the way up. So our horizontal line won't be all the way up to the top there. And create this notch. And then we're just practically done. We create the center lines. We have to show the hidden lines over here. And the hidden lines here, be sure those are on there.